Welcome to our channel, where we'll be exploring the understated yet essential element of interior design, the wooden curtain pole bracket. Today, we'll take a closer look at how these small yet significant accessories can elevate the look and feel of any room. At first glance, curtain pole brackets might not seem like much, but they play a crucial role in ensuring your curtains hang securely and elegantly. Crafted from high-quality wood, these brackets are not only durable, but also add a touch of natural beauty to your windows. Whether you're dressing up a cozy bedroom, adding privacy to a living room, or enhancing the ambience of a dining area, wooden curtain pole brackets provide the perfect finishing touch. Their warm tones, timeless appeal, blend seamlessly with a variety of decor styles from traditional to contemporary. Another notable feature of wooden curtain pole brackets is their ease of installation. With just a few simple steps, you can have them securely mounted to your walls, ready to support your curtain pole and panel. No need to worry about complicated hardware or specialized tools. These brackets make the process effortless. Once installed, wooden curtain pole brackets provide reliable support for your curtains. Ensure they hang smoothly and evenly. Their sturdy construction means you can trust them to hold even the heaviest drapes, giving you peace of mind and long-lasting performance. Beyond their practical function, wooden curtain pole brackets also enhance the overall aesthetic of your space. By elevating your curtains off the floor and framing your windows beautifully, they create a sense of height and elegance that instantly transforms any room. So, whether you are updating your home decor or embarking on a full-scale renovation, don't overlook the importance of wooden curtain pole brackets. With their timeless appeal, durability and versatility, they are sure to add both style and functionality to your windows. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more videos on interior design tips and home decor inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating!